everyone. How's everyone doing today? Hi, Preet, who was just chatting with me just now. Let's wait for your friends to join in. When your friends are in, then we can start doing some really good, something you guys like. Hello, everybody. So, any of you had any of the entrances you want to tell us? So, all of you are good today. That's good to know. Did any one of you had any of the entrances? And I don't like maths. That's bad for you, Preet, because we are doing maths today. You had QE. Oh, that's good. How was your QE? Did you like it? No, not yet. How many of you are giving Kent next week? Because you have one entrance on next week. That's the Kent one. So how many of you are giving Kent? Anybody giving Kent? I'm in year 5. QE was hard. Preet, how do you know QE was hard? You're a girl. QE is for boys. You're giving. That's good. So try concentrating now. We only have a week left. Next week, all of you have your entrances. You all will be doing lots and lots of entrances in the coming weeks now. So let's get started now and let's start doing. I'm in year 6. I think so mainly all of you are in year 6 and some of you are in year 5. That's like a smiley face, the one you have given me. Good luck, everyone. Tomorrow we'll be doing tomorrow I'll be telling you all about Kent and Bexley entrances, how the papers are. Tomorrow will be a discussion one for all of us. So we'll be having a lot of discussion tomorrow at 6. I did Kent today. Oh, really, Preet? How can you do Kent today? Kent is next week. Preet is just lying with us today. So we all will be doing lots and lots of practice this week. And tomorrow I'm going to tell you guys how to do about the marking scheme of Kent and Bexley. So come tomorrow at 6 and try doing that. So let's start sharing the screen now. Your profile picture has changed. Whose profile picture? My profile picture. I don't have any profile picture. So let's start sharing the screen and let's start doing maths now. I'll zoom in for you guys. We are going to do, that's a private school and it's Dulwich school, and we are going to do their sample paper now. That's a private school and you all are doing the sample paper for that school now. This is 2019 sample paper. So first one is really easy. They are just saying, wait for my pen and paper. Okay, Preet, I'm waiting for your pen and paper. So you need to work out 2019 minus 567. Till Preet comes, all of you can start doing it now. And I can zoom in a little bit. Yes, I can. Oh, I did. Yeah. Better now? And I've already got the answer for the first one. That's absolutely right. The answer for first one is 1452. You were the first one. Well done to be the first one. So we got the answer for the first one. It is 1, 4, 5 and a 2. I hope our pen is working now. That's the answer for the first one. Try doing the long multiplication for the second one now. It is 67 multiplied by 89. That's a long multiplication. Let's see who does that. You guys are so clever. 5963. Good. That's the long multiplication and all of you got it right. The answer is... I'll tell you another way you can do it. If you find the long multiplication hard, you could also do it in this way. Write 60 here and do 7 here. And then you could do 80 here and then 9 here. Then you could multiply 8 multiplied by 6. And then you could do it 4, 8, 0, 0. And here you could write 560. And the next one is 540. And then 63. And then just add these up and you will get your answer as 5963. You have done this paper before. That's really good. So try doing the next one. It's 881.9 divided by 6. That's 13.65. Good. So we got 13.65 for the third one. I hope all of you know your multiplications and divisions. So that is 13.63. Sorry, 65, not 3. 65. Let me just remove this again. Thirteen. Let's say we have a third one here. Yes, we have a D1. Let me rub this out. So all of you can do the D now. Try doing number D, all of you. I will just put D so that we don't have any other. That's an easy one. You just need to do it. It's 17.4 plus 8.79. You are just adding them up. And what your answer is? Good. I got the answer is 26.18. And if you don't know how to do it, it's an easy one. I would just write 17.40 and then I will write 8, 7 and 8. That's 8. 4 plus 7 is 11. 1. Carry over 1. That's 16. Carry over 1. That's 26. 26.18 is your answer. So let's move on to the next one now. Let me zoom in now. Now you need to work out the missing sequences in these ones. We have done lots and lots of sequences with you guys. So you should be knowing how to do it. 18, 22, 18, 22, 29, dash 43, dash 50. $36 and $50, that's a good one. Good, so we got the answer for the first one, that's 36 and 50. Work out the sequence for the next one. We are on number B now. Number B is 951 dash and dash. You need to work out the sequence now. See what's happening. 9 to 5 is going backwards. Then 1. You need to go backwards. So your answer needs to be in minus for this one. Try giving me the answer for this one now. -3 and -6. Not -6, -7. So the answer in this one is -3 and -7 is 2 marks. If you get one right, you'll get 1 mark. If you get both right, you'll get 2 marks. The next sequence is now 96 -48, 24 -12 and 6. So you guys there are 2 sequences going on here. 96, you'll be looking at this sequence here. And then look at this sequence and get that one here. So what do you think it could be? Look at these 2 sequences for the answer there and look at the next one for the answer. Six and -3, that's right, you got your answer. It's 6 for the first one and it is -3 for the next one. So let's move on to number 3 now. Oh, I think so. Number 3 is here. I need to remove this for you guys. So let's move on to number 3 now. So do number 3 now. In number 3, you have 18 -6 plus 7 gives you what? So you need to work that one out. That's 19 is 3A is 19. Hi Pankari. Pankari has come now. Good. 19 is for this one. So let's do 19 for this one. Good. The answer is fine for this one. Try doing the next one. 21 minus something multiplied by 3 gives you 9. Good. Is 4 for the next one? Let's move up so you guys can see the next one. Let me remove this for you guys so you can do the third one now. What do you get the answer for the third one, all of you? It is 25. Let's see the answer. Is it 30, 25, or it's 16 minus 3 and 2 gives you what? It's not 25. All of you are copying each other and you all are giving me wrong answer. So remember, in this one, you have 16. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 minus 9. And that gives you 7. The answer is 7 for this one. You said it first. Yes, you did. That's good. You got the right answer. So let's move on to number 4 now. You got it right, yeah. It's not minus 7, it's 7. So let's move on to the next one now. I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. We are doing number 4 in this one. And it says the perimeter of a rectangle below is 18 centimeter. You need to find the width of the rectangle. So you need to find the width of the rectangle. Yes, it's 6 centimeter. That's good. All of you got it right. It's 6 centimeters. Why? If you look here, 3, this also will be 3, and it's given you it's 18. So this will be 6 and this will also be 6. So what they're asking you is what it is in centimeters is 6. And the next one is find the area of the rectangle. So you need to find the area of the rectangle. 18. Good. That was easy. You just need to multiply 3 multiplied by 6. That gives you 18. So let me remove all this now. Basically, what are they asking you here now? They're telling you a square with side of length 3 centimeter is divided into 3 identical side rectangles. These are then arranged as shown. What is the parameter of the new shape? So you need to work out what's the parameter of the new shape now. So what do you think the parameter is for the new shape? Let's see if anybody tells me the right answer. I think it's 212. No, it is not. The AA boy is very near. It's not 19. Okay, let's do it together. All of you are doing it wrong. So basically, it's 3 centimeters is given to you, is divided. So this is 3. This one is 1. This is 3. This is 1. This is 3. This is 1. This is 3. This is 3. This is 1. And this is also 1. So add all these up now and tell me what your answer is. 20. Good. So the answer is 20 for this one. When you add all of these, what I've done for you guys, then you will get the answer 20. Why did we do that? Because the evidence of width of 1 centimeter. So it is 20. Good. So the answer is 20 for this one. I hope you guys got how to do it. So let's move on to number 5 now. And let me zoom in for you guys. I think I'll leave this one because it has a lot of working. You guys can't do this. I'll go on the 7th one because you don't have a piece of paper with you all. So let's move on to number 6 now. Number 6 is easy. They're just asking you to round it up. Round 649 to the nearest 100. You need to round 649 to the nearest 100. Good, it's 600. And the next one, the second one, you need to round 832 to the nearest 10. So need to round 832 to the nearest 10. That's the answer for the first one. All of you have given me. So what about the second one? You need to be knowing your rounding really well now. and tell me the answer for the second one. 830. Good, that's the answer. So let's write down the answers for you guys. For the answer for the first one is 600. Answer for the next one is 830. And I need to move up little bit. Oh, I don't need the hand. I need to move up little bit. That's for number C. My 30 looks so bad. So let's move on to number C now. In number C, they're basically telling you a number has been rounded to the nearest 10 to give 370. What is the smallest whole number possible? So you need to work out what is the smallest whole number. 365, that's good. You got the answer is 365. So that's the answer for this one. And I'll remove this one for you guys. So let's move on to number 7 now. Number 7, again, you need to calculate 0.4 plus half plus 27 by 100. So what is your answer? Remember, I'll give you guys a hint for this one. Instead of 0.4, you can also write by 40 by 100. And 1/4 can also be written as 25 by 100. Basically you have to make the denominator same to add them, and the last one it's already given is 27 by 100. Now add them up all and then you can get your answer. So you need to add 40 plus 25 plus 27. That is 0.4. It's 0.92. Good, that's your answer. Sachin, it's 0.92. It'll be 0.9. Oh, what's happening to my pen today? 0.92. The next one now, you need to write 51 by 60 as a decimal. Zero 0.85. That's good. You got the answer. Try to simplify that, and when you simplify this, you would be getting 17 by 20. And if I do it by 100, that means 85 by 100, and that is 0. 0.85 is the answer. Good. Let's move on to number 8 now. Let me remove. I think so. Number 8 is on the other page. Yeah. Let's zoom in. Zoom, 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 zoom. What is 1/3 of 1? What is 1/3 of 120? That's an easy one. It's 40. Good. 1/3 basically means 1/3 of 120. You do it by 3's table and you get your answer as 40. The next one is 40% of 728. It's basically, you know that I'm using my box now. Basically, you know that 10% 10% equals to 72.80. So you just need to multiply 72.80 multiplied by 4. That will be 291.20. Let's see if anybody got that answer. Good, you got it right. So let's move on to the next one now. Number 9 now is about all train journey. So number 9 tells you a sleeper train travels from London to Glasgow. The train departs at 11:28 p.m. and arrives at 6:53 a.m. How long does the journey take? You just need to calculate the departs at 11 and arrives. So you need to find your time from 11:28. That's p.m. means it's afternoon. Then after 12 it will be. So, oh, sorry, no, you just do it from night to morning. So 11:28 to 6:53 a.m. Just calculate 12:28, 1:28, 2:28, 3:28, 4:28, 5:28, and 6. 28, and then add the remaining in this and then try doing it. So you'll get 7 hours something. 7 hours and 25 minutes. It'll be 7 hours 25 minutes. That's good. Let me just do this little up so we can also work out the next one. So it will be 7 hours and 25 minutes. And try doing the next one now. The next one is the different train travels from London to Edinburgh at constant speed. So the speed is constant basically. The journey takes 3 hours and 30 minutes and the distance traveled is 420 miles. So you need to calculate the speed of the train. So you're using the formula in this one. Speed equals to distance over time. That's the formula you guys need to use for this one. So you're using this formula in this one and finding your answer. So it is basically you need to find what the speed is, you need to find what the distance is, and then you need to find what time is. And put everything in, and then you all will get your answer. So basically, you need to find the speed in this one. Now, remember, it's saying 3 hours and 30 minutes. 3 hours 30 minutes can also be written. I remember doing this with you guys so many times. So your speed was given to you. Sorry, the distance is given to you is 420. I have written that. Instead of writing 3 hours 30 minutes, I can also write 3.5. So basically 3.5. Try to simplify that. Forget the point in the beginning first. That would be 840 by 7. And then simplify that little more to get your answer. And your answer would be 120. Instead of writing 3 hours 30 minutes, we just wrote 3.5. And then we just simplify 420 by 3.5. And that's 840 by 7. And then the end, you get the answer as 120 mph. You need to know how to simplify fractions. And then you all will get your answer as 120. Just waiting for some of you to do it. Then we can move on to the next one now. You got it? That's good. So let's move on to number 10 now. And let me zoom in for you guys now. In this you are given five numbers, that's 34, 21, 35, 42, and 28. And then they are telling you need to find the mean of the five numbers. Mean is what? You add them up and divide with how many numbers they are? They are 5, so you'll be dividing them by 5. So you're going to add 34 plus 21 plus 35 plus 22 plus 28, and you're dividing it by 5. That's 32. Good. So basically, you need to add all this up and divide it by 5. I'll put the add sign for you guys. That gives you guys 160 divided by 5. That is what? Is 32. Now they are asking you find the median of these 5 numbers. Median means the middle one. You need to put them in order and then find the middle number, the same one on the top. Put them in the order and find your middle number. You go with the smallest one. So you'll go with 21, 28, 34, 35, and 42. So your middle number would be 34, not 32. Because I'm putting them in order. Let me do it here for you guys. So I'm putting 21, 28, 34, 35, and 42. And then I'm just taking the middle one, that's 34. That's your answer for this one. So let's move on to the next one and remove all this. You need this because you need to find the range of these numbers. And here are the numbers. You need to find the range. Range is with the biggest minus the smallest. So you know what the biggest is and you know what the smallest is, and then find your answer. I'll put it. I'm reading it for you guys. Then I'll put the answer for you guys. So you need to find. That's 21. Good. And the next one, what they're asking you, keep looking at the numbers. They are saying a 6th number is added to the list and the mean changes to 33. Find the 6th number was. So how would you do that one now? I'll show you the question now to you guys. They are saying a 6th number is added to the list and the mean changes to 33. What the number is? Answer for this one was 21. So what the number is? It changes to 33. What would be the 6th number? So basically, you know the total is 33 multiplied by 6 is 198, and you're going to minus from the total what you guys got before. So you'll be just minus 198, sorry, minus 160. That gives you 38. So let's move on to the next one now. Number 11. I will zoom in for you guys. You need to work out x and y in this one. I'll give you 2 seconds to work this one out. So the diagram shows a rectangle and a line. The two angles are marked y are equal. So you know the y are equal. And you need to work out what is y and x. So try doing that, please. And stop promoting your channels here, please. And let's do some work. So basically, you need to find what y is first. And then work out what x is. So work out x first and then work out y. So let's work out x first. X is 72. That's good. And what about y now? We need to know what y is. Y is 36. The people who don't know, for them, let's do it. We know that this angle together is 180 degrees. So you just need to minus 108, 180 minus 108. That gives me what x is. So x is 72. But we are also told that y and y are equal. So they're equal. So you just need to divide 72 divided by 2 to give you the answer. That's 36. So you know y is 36. You can add them up and see if the total is 180 degrees. So x is 72 and y is 36. So basically, this is the way how we did it. There's some of them we are leaving, and we'll go to number 14 now. Because the next one or we can do this one. Let me see what the next one is. Just a second. Because you guys don't have any rough paper to do it. But in this one, they are just telling you to draw the reflection of this. So if you have a piece of paper, you all could do that. You just need to make the same. I'm really bad at drawing, but you have to draw the same one like this one on this side. That's it. That's called the mirror line reflection. And let's go to number 13 now. Number 13 again, they are telling you to point out the point 4 and 2 and label it B. You can't do it because none of you have a paper or something. So we need to leave this one. We can't do this. We can't do this one. Okay, we'll go to number 14 now. Number 14, they are saying a set of solid towers are made by adding layers as shown below. The shape is solid inside with no missing blocks. So there are no blocks which are missing in this one. So basically, what are they asking you in this one? They are asking you how many cubes are needed to build the tower 2. So you need to work out how many cubes are there. First, try calculating the cubes, what they are. They are 1 here. Altogether, it's 1. And how many are there? 1 from the previous one. Plus how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 5. And the same thing you will do with the first one. So you'll have 1 plus the previous one. Sorry. And then you will add how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 9. So I've done the calculations for you. Make your life a little easy. So they're asking how many cubes are needed to build tower number 2. So how many are needed? You just need to add 1 plus 5. And how many cubes are needed to build tower number 3? You're just adding them up and trying doing it. The 6 is for the first one. The next one is 15. Well then guys, but if you have something like this, remember how to do it. So 66 is for the first one and 15 is for the next one. So let's see what else they're asking next. Next, they're asking you I'll remove all this as making you guys a little confused. Next, they are just asking you without drawing it, how many cubes would be needed to build tower 5? So, without drawing, remember, for number 5, we did 1 plus 5 plus 9. And the 4 would be something like this. And what would 5 be then? So what would be 5 then? Let's see if somebody gives me the right answer. I'm waiting for someone to give me the answer. Let's see if your answer is right. Good, it's 45. Who's given 45 is the right answer. So basically what we'll be doing for the next one, in this one, what you would be doing, you'll be just adding what you already have. 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 and plus 17. That gives you a total of 45. Then they're asking you which tower number should contain 120 cubes. So you are asking which tower number would contain 120 cubes? How would you do that? 8. Someone is really clever here. How did we get 8? Again, I'll do it here for you guys. Because if you know that we did 21 will be 66 and 25 would be 91 and then 29 will be 120. So for plus 21, plus 25, plus 29, if you keep doing it, it'll be the 8th one. Yes, you are clever because you got the answer 8. So the answer would be 8 for this one. Let's do number 15, the last one for today. If you guys are struggling on this paper, I would highly recommend you guys to go to the Dulwich and try doing this sample paper all again yourself after this live today. Write all the square numbers between 1 and 100 inclusive in the correct region in the diagram below. Circle A needs to contain factors of 360. You have given that. See, the information was given to you. Needs factors of 360. Circle B needs factors of multiples of 4. You will just need to put them together outside of the circle. So let's try doing it this way. Tell me, what should I put in circle A? What should I put in circle B? And what should I put outside both of them? And I'll show you what it is. I'll show you what you need to do. I'll wait here for 2 seconds for you guys to do it, and then I will write the answer when you guys have given me. So you need to write all, circle A needs to contain factors of 360. So you need to write all the factors of 360 in circle A, and in circle B, you need to write the multiples of 4, and outside between both of them, you guys need to put some numbers outside. So what are we doing now? Let's see if somebody. First, give me for A. Pankri. A is no. Remember what they're asking you, Pankri. They're telling you square numbers. You need to have all the square numbers. And they need to contain the factors of 360. A has 16 numbers. Okay, should I do it? I'm ready for you guys to do it. Give me the answers. Let me see how clever you guys are. And then I'll tell you the answers. Okay, let me do it for you guys. All of you are really, really confused. So, what are we going to write here in A? In A, you guys will write 9. Oh, my 9, sorry. So, in A, you will write 9 and 1. In B, you guys will write 16, 64, 100. What are going to go in the middle now? In the middle, will be 4 and 36. And what's going to go here on the top now? Here would be your 25. Here will be 49. And here will be 81. Oops, my 81 is getting so happy. 9 and 1. It's not 9.1. It's 9 and 1. Sorry about this one. This was a 1. Because of my pen, it became so bad. So basically, 3 numbers correctly placed, 4, 5, 6 numbers correctly placed. We've done that. 7, 8, 9 numbers correctly placed. So if you do that, then only you'll get the full marks. So that would have been your answer. So let me stop sharing the screen now. I've stopped sharing the screen now with you guys. So that was your answers. What you did? I hope you guys got how to do it, and well done everyone. That was a hard paper, but all of you did really well. I'm in Nishita's room now. You can see that there's a princess on the back. That's Ishita's room, if you can see here. So I'll be seeing you guys back tomorrow now. And well done, everyone. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow at 6 again. Wait, has it finished? Yes, Preet, it's been finished now. You all can go and have your dinner now, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Bye, everyone.